Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply go to search bar, then type in cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. On this window we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. In the first command, type sfc/scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and simply hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt window and simply open run and type here temp, then click on OK. Now select all these files and delete them. Once done, close this window, again open run. Now type %temp% and click on OK. Again we need to select all these files and simply delete them. Once done, close this window, again open run. You can simply press Windows key plus R key together to open run. This time type prefetch and hit enter. You will get the files here. Also select all these files and delete them. Once done, close this window and simply move to the next method. Go to search bar, type disk cleanup, then go here. Once you are here, we need to select the files which I wanted to delete, for example temporary file, recycle bin and etc. So delete all the files. Just go to search bar and type here file explorer. Once we are here, we need to select this PC, then open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now find out system32 folder, simply double click on it to open it. Then find out game bar presence writer, simply right click on it, select properties. Once we are here, we need to just go to security tab, then select advanced options. Now click on change, select advanced, then click on find now option. And from here you will need to select your username. To check out, just click on the start icon and here you will get your username. My username is node A13, so I will search it here. Okay, here it is. Select it, click on OK and then click on OK. Once done, just click on apply, select OK and then OK. Once done, again click on advanced option, then we need to click on change permission and then select add, then go to select a principal, then again go to advanced tab, select find now, again search for your username, click on OK and then OK. Once we are here, select full control and just we need to click on OK and select apply, select S and then OK. Once done, you will able to change your able to rename this game bar presence writer. Simply right click on it, select show more options and click on rename and add something after game bar presence writer. For example, I am adding A, B, C and you need to hit enter. Once done, close this window, simply restart this system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe our channel.